Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add the shake effect on your videos using Clipchamp. If you want to make your videos unique by giving it a shaking effect, this video is for you. So let's get started. First of all, find the Clipchamp app on your home screen. Now open it. Now choose one video that you want to edit. Now to add the shaking effect, here you can find the edit option. Tap on it. Then here you can find the option of effects. Simply tap on it. Scroll to your right until you find the effect called pulse. Now here you can see the effect of pulse is right here. Now tap on it. So the shaking effect has been named pulse on the Clipchamp app like this. Now you can see the effect has been added. And that's it. This is how you can add the shaking effect on your videos using Clipchamp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.